Yes, Master and Crew back once again with another video, and it's 1:30 in the morning and I've been experimenting with the Amiga and also Renoise behind me, and I've got Renoise Amiga playing an old brain sequence, and on here I've got Omnisphere running with hybrid, so I'm able to manipulate the MIDI input so that I can use Renoise as a rack, which is very cool, because that means I can use traditional plugins and use them as outboard synths as we did back in the day on the Amiga. So this is pretty cool. I'm not saying you've got to use Amiga, folks, to make a song. You can still make quite a healthy song on Renoise all the same, as you know. But as you can see, I've got my Archives, and you can also use, by the way, for some of you have been asking, you can also use your Renoise to trigger your Akai, your outboard equipment. So you don't necessarily need an Atari or an Amiga to do that. Just because they're retro samplers, for those of you who don't know, you can use Renoise to trigger retro samplers. So this is quite interesting, people, the fact that you can use your Amiga to trigger VST Instruments. Check it out. As you can see there, Amiga triggering Omnisphere in Renoise. Dark side business.
Top man.
This is a man like Kishan. Yeah, always on the live stream. Good to meet you, mate.
As much as I can, yeah, man.
Yeah, always
wicked.
Always see you popping up on the old tube, man. You know
Definitely,
what I mean?
definitely.
Yeah.
Big up the Biz, TDK as well,
TDK's over there.
Equinox as well, Clash Map, wicked event.
Yeah,
if you guys ain't been down, gotta get down to the next one.
Definitely.
Hopefully these boys will be down as well.
Yeah,
maybe running a stall.
Yeah, we'll come out. Yeah, come up and do that. Maybe I'll get some of those long sleeve t-shirts on.
Like, what an MP3 file. It's a file that's full of ones and zeros, and the algorithm knows how to take those